Hi, so let's talk about coin change too. So you're given integer array coins, represent the coins of different denomination, and integer amount represent the total amount of money. So you have to return the number of combination that makes up the amount. So if the amount cannot be made, so just return 0. So this is actually pretty simple, but if you want to just narrow down on your DP, then this will be really hard to follow, but just look at the logic and then you'll be able to understand. So I still need a DP array, and I need to initialize my DP. So the size, the space will be amount +1. This is actually you have to include the index 0, and I will just tell you what you should do. Okay, so for the DP 0 is actually equal to true, which is 1. This is because how many coins you can spend for the amount 0. This is only one way, right? Which is not spending. So DP0 represent 1. And I'm gonna traverse the coin in coins array. And I have another for loop which is traversing my DP. So the DP is actually from I equal to coin to I less than equal to amount, which is the length of the DP, be honest, and then I plus plus. Right. So let's not just write down what you should do in DP, but think about the logic. So you're starting from the coin, the coin number, right? So we already know the DP 0, the amount 0 is actually the only one way, right? What happens if you have coin 1, like one coin, the one coin, and then for the amount 1, it should be one way, right? But how you should do it is you need to take your previous value in the DP, then later on you'll just keep adding, because for every coin you just use the previous coin value and then just keep adding. There is a solution, right? So DPI would become plus equal to DPI minus coin, and this will be it. So for example, I equal coin for right now is 1, and I equal to coin, which is 1. 1 minus 1 is 0, and we already initialize the DP 0 equal to 1. There's only one way we can spend on amount 0, right? Which is not spending. And if I using I minus I, so which is DP1 is plus equal to 1, which is correct. You only have one way to spend on coin 1, right? For the amount 1. For the amount 2, right? Same idea. 2 minus 2, that is 0, which is 1, and then 2 minus 0 is 1. This is because you only have one way to spend on your coin 2, right? But how about the 1 plus 1? 1 plus 1 is also the solution, right? So you have 3. 3 minus 2, coin is still 2, right? 2, and then I will increment on the next follow, right? So 3 minus 2 is 1. So DP1, we already know DP1 is 1. So 1 plus 1 equal to 2. And just use just using the previous DP value and then just keep adding, and this will be the solution. So just DP amount, return a DP amount, because we initialize the DP 0 for the for 1. This is because we need to know that the index 0 is the default value, and this will be a solution. This is a little bit hard to follow in logic, but once you understand it, right, you will be able to solve it very quickly. And I don't want you to just write down the DP array, because this will actually mess up your logic. So it's either you starting from writing out on your paper first, and then think about like what you should do for the coin 1. Coin 1, you only have one representation, right? So coin 2, you can have a 1 plus 1 or 2, right? Coin 3, and you have 1 plus 1 plus 1 or 2 plus 1, right? And so on. So you either start from the beginning, you you either starting from the beginning method or you don't start it. Like, just think about the logic and then you will be able to solve it. And if you have any question, leave a comment below, subscribe if you want it, and then leave a like if you want it also. And I'll see you next time. Bye.